guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be introducing my cousins. Hi, I'm Jay. Hi guys. And my name is Mateo. Hi more. Hi everybody. So we're here at San Pedro's Fish Market and we're celebrating Mother's Day. And we have a 40-minute wait, so let's look at the fish while we're waiting. Oh, look, I see some over there. I won. Yeah, you win.